Good morning, everyone. Just now,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Just now we have gone the revision of previous part or the whatever the things covered in the previous lecture. Now we'll move to the next point. We are discussing about the types of system. In that, we have understood or we have studied open system, right? We have written definition also. Whether have you noted the definition of this open system?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
With a diagram. Diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next, give the heading closed system. Next system is closed system. Closed system. So how you can define closed system? Anyone? Again, this point is covered in the 11th and 12th.
Energy exchange, but matter does not exchange.
Energy exchanges, but matter does not exchange. Good. This is what the closed system. अजून कोणतं मुलीमध्ये सांगतो होतं प्लीज.
The system which changes only energy.
The system in which there's exchange of only energy, nor matter. Good. अजून कोणाला वेगळं सांगायचं? बोला. मगाशी कोणतं सांगतो म्हणतो.
The system in which there is only exchange of energy.
Correct. The exchange of only energy. That is the closed system. ज्यावेळेस क्लोज सिस्टम आपण डिस्कस करतोय त्यावेळेस लक्षात ठेवा की जे काही तुम्ही सिस्टम कन्सिडर करा किंवा जे तुम्ही डिव्हाइस कन्सिडर करा की ज्यामध्ये फक्त एनर्जी विल एक्सचेंज, एनर्जी विल बी ट्रान्सफर्ड. ओके, बट मॅटर विल रिमेन ॲज इट इज. दॅट इज नथिंग बट ए क्लोज सिस्टम. ओके, ज्यावेळेस आपण न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व्ह करू त्यावेळेस मॅक्झिमम टाइम यू विल फेस द क्लोज सिस्टम, एव्हरी टाइम क्लोज सिस्टम. Okay, and for the closed system you have to calculate work transfer, what is the work transfer, heat transfer, such calculations you have to perform. You have to do the calculations at that time. If from the statement you should be able to draw the closed system, you should be able to define which is the surrounding portion, which is the system part, what is the boundary. All these points you must be clear when you solve the numericals. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह कराल, न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व्ह कराल त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला लगेच पटकन क्लिक व्हायला पाहिजे. येस, दिस इज अ सिस्टम, दिस इज सराउंडिंग पार्ट, दिस इज द बाउंड्री. ओके, so here when you define the closed system, that system in which there's a exchange of only energy nor matter, such system is known as closed system. Okay, if you take the example of a piston and cylinder, see, can you see this slide?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this closed system, if you see the example of piston and cylinder, everybody knows in internal combustion engine of a vehicle की ज्यामध्ये तुम्हाला piston and cylinder असते. So that piston and cylinder, that is IC engine, you can take as a example of a closed system. Internal combustion engine is an example of a closed system. In this example, if you see the figure, there is a piston arrangement of piston. Okay, then you see the system, whatever the portion, inside portion, it is a representing system, then boundary, okay, then surrounding, right? So here energy will be exchanged but matter will be remain inside. That is called as a closed system, right? So many times you will find this examples on piston and cylinder. When you solve the numericals, you have to consider closed system of a piston and cylinder only. Okay. So write the definition for closed system. Definition for closed system: a system in which there is exchange of only energy there is a exchange of only energy nor matter across a boundary of a system, across a boundary, across a system in which there is a no exchange of energy, there is a no exchange of energy sorry, not no, there's a mistake. The system in which there is a exchange of energy, the no kasai na, the matter set in no asna na. There is the exchange of only energy, there is a exchange of energy nor matter across a boundary of a system, across a boundary of a system. मैं definition दा परत repeat करतो. A system in which there is a exchange of energy, there is a exchange of energy nor matter across a boundary of a system, across a boundary of a system, across a boundary of a system. Is known as closed system, is known as closed system, is known as closed system. For example, internal combustion engine, okay, for example refrigeration, air conditioning, refrigeration just na refrigerator, it is also example of a closed system. Okay, भरपूर सारे example, you can write only one example, no problem. काय लिहिलं? IC engine, अजून काय देऊ शकता? प्रेशर कुकर, hello,
a cup of coffee with a lid on it.
yes, cup of coffee with lid on it, this also example of a closed system. Or thermos, it will be a, how it will be energy transformation, thermos,
Isolated.
it will be isolated system की ज्यामध्ये दोन्ही पण exchange होणार नाही, matter पण होणार नाही, energy पण होणार नाही, that is the isolated. पण closed system मध्ये काय आपण डेफिनेशन लिहिली की फक्त एनर्जी एक्सचेंज होते पण मॅटर तसं राहतो, that is the closed system. आपण त्याला प्रेशर कुकर म्हणू शकतो की एक्झाम्पल. Can we say pressure cooker is example of a closed system?
Yes.
Yes.
ओके, फक्त एकच एक्झाम्पल लिहा. परत तुम्हाला जे मी होमवर्क देणार त्यामध्ये तुम्ही नंबर ऑफ एक्झाम्पल्स त्या टेबल मध्ये ऍड करणार आहात. ओके, डेफिनेशनच्या खाली फक्त एकच एक्झाम्पल टाका. यू मेन्शन एनी एक्झाम्पल. आयसी इंजिन यू कॅन मेन्शन, इंटरनल कंबशन इंजिन. मग ही डायग्राम काढा, ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. फक्त थोडासा इथं क्लिअरन्स ठेवा. जर क्लिअरन्स ठेवलं नाही तर ते पिस्टन खाली रेसिप्रोकल होईल का? नाही होणार, बरोबर ना? सो स्मॉल गॅप मस्ट बी देअर इन द सिलेंडर वॉल अँड द पिस्टन. थोडासा स्मॉल गॅप दिसला पाहिजे तरच ती काय होईल, पिस्टन रेसिप्रोकल. सो ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. एक्झाम मध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारलं जाईल, एक्सप्लेन द डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ सिस्टम्स फॉर 3 मार्क्स. त्यावेळेस 3 सिस्टमचं डेफिनेशन द्यायचं, एक्झाम्पल द्यायचे आणि डायग्राम काढायचे. Over? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
मुलामध्ये?
Sir.
Boys side completed?
No, sir.
Make it fast. I have uploaded the PPTs and notes of the thermodynamics in the study material. Have you referred? बघितलं का सर्वांनी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके. एखादी व्हिडिओ लिंक किंवा एखादं जे काही मटेरियल अपलोड केलेलं जर ती ओपन होत नसेल तर प्लीज कॉल मी इमिडिएटली सो दॅट आय कॅन रिअपडेट. Over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next type of system is isolated system. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Isolated system. Now put the heading isolated system. All of you give the heading as isolated system. Now let us define the isolated system. So who will define isolated system?
A system in which neither energy nor the matter is allowed to exceed the system.
Yes. The system in which there is no exchange of matter as well as energy across a boundary. Such system is known as isolated system. ओके. की ज्या सिस्टम मध्ये आपण जे घ्या कन्सिडर कराल किंवा स्टडीसाठी घ्या की त्या सिस्टम मध्ये जे एनर्जी काय आणि जे काही मॅटर आहे that transformation will not happen, will not take place. Such kind of system is known as isolated system. So best example you can give as a thermos flask, right? So thermos flask is a best example where there is no exchange of matter as well as energy across a boundary of a system. That is the isolated system. You can see that if you want to compare for just you want to remember for the remembering purpose you can keep these pictures, save these pictures in your memory. Okay, when you call open system, matter as well as heat get exchanges. When you call closed system, matter will not transfer but heat will get transferred. In case of isolated, mass and heat, that is matter and heat, will not crosses. So it is showing cross, right? So you can simply remember this three diagrams so that you can define any of the system, open system, closed system, and isolated system easily. Okay, note down. A system in which there is no exchange of matter as well as energy across a boundary of a system, I will repeat. A system in which there is a no exchange of matter as well as energy, across a boundary of a system, is known as isolated system. For example, thermos flask. So one more system is we can calculate as a content beyond syllabus. Okay. So one more system that you can give the name for that system is adiabatic system. Just note down. माहिती म्हणून आपल्याला असावी. You can give the heading adiabatic system.
Isolated system ची diagram sir.
आयसोलेटेड सिस्टमची डायग्राम तुम्हाला थर्मास फ्लास्क ड्रॉ करायला लागेल किंवा हे डायग्राम काढताय का बघा.
Yes, sir.
You can draw this. म्हणजे हे जे कंटेनर आहे इट इज अ इन्सुलेटेड कंटेनर. Whatever the container is taken, it is insulated one. So there's a cap at the top. Okay. You can show this diagram, no problem. Okay. Diagram completed. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Next type of system you can do the heading. It is additional. You can mention adiabatic system. Adiabatic system. Adiabatic system. So I will draw the diagram here. These are the insulations you can call. is draw this diagram. Please try to understand, because with the mouse I'm drawing this. Okay. So these are the insulations provided over the turbine. Drawn. Diagram completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. बघा the definition of adiabatic system. Okay. आता इथे जी मी डायग्राम दाखवली, this is the representation for turbine. ज्यावेळेस आपण टर्बाइनला सिम्बॉलिकली रिप्रेझेंट करतो त्यावेळेस you have to represent like this. Okay. Entry area is smaller and the exit area is larger, and the arrangement of the shaft. Okay. So here from one side, from the top side, the matter is entering. Okay. And from another side, it is going out. Right. And on this turbine, there is a provision of insulation. Means what? There is a obstacle to the energy flow. There's an obstacle to the heat flow. Right. If this is the system, then we can call this system is known as adiabatic system. Adiabatic system कधी म्हणायचं? फक्त matter get flows out, but energy get stopped. Energy will not flow out. That is the adiabatic system in case of a turbine. Okay, so just note down the definition for adiabatic system. A system in which there is a no exchange of energy, or there is a no exchange of heat. A system in which there is a no exchange of heat across a boundary. A system in which there is a no exchange of heat across a boundary of a system is known as adiabatic system.
Sir, repeat सांगता का?
A system in which there is a no exchange of heat. There is a no exchange of heat across a boundary. There is a no exchange of heat across a boundary of a system is known as adiabatic system. Adiabatic system. Okay. मग एक्झाम्पल म्हणून इथे लिहू शकता. एक्झाम्पल टर्बाइन विथ इन्सुलेशन्स. We can mention turbine with insulations. Okay, turbine with insulations on the periphery. Okay, so these are the types of systems. You should be able to answer it. If the question will be
एक्झाम्पल काय सांगितलं?
turbine with insulations on a periphery. Turbine with insulations on periphery.
विथ काय सर?
Turbine with insulation. Turbine मध्ये insulation आपण टाकले ना, आणि insulation टाकून मग आपण त्याच्या हे केलेलं आहे. That is the adiabatic system.
हॅलो सर, आवाज येत नाही सर.
Hello. So here that turbine, when we put the insulations over the turbine, then the system will become adiabatic system. See, we are doing this. Okay, we are applying the insulation over the turbine, then the system will become adiabatic because there is obstacle to heat flow. ज्यावेळेस heat flow वरती obstacle तयार होईल, त्यावेळेस जी काही system असेल, that system is known as adiabatic system. Okay, आपण पुढे गॅस लॉस गॅस प्रोसेस मध्ये आपण पाहिलं असेल की adiabatic system, adiabatic process, polytropic process, isothermal process, isobaric process. Okay, तर त्यावेळेस heat transfer जे असणार आहे adiabatic मध्ये, it will be 0. Q will be equals to 0 in case of adiabatic process. So that is why when you put the insulation, definitely heat transformation will be negligible. Heat transformation will be negligible. That is equals to 0. So such kind of system is known as adiabatic system. ज्यामध्ये heat transformation होत नाही किंवा negligible आहे किंवा 0 आहे. That is the adiabatic system. Okay. I hope you are clear with the types of systems. सर्वांना समजले?
Yes, sir.
Example सर काय होते?
Turbine with insulation on the periphery. Turbine with insulations on the periphery. टर्बाइनच्या भोवती आपण ते इन्सुलेशन टाकलेले आहेत की जेणेकरून हीट फ्लो होणार नाही बाहेर.
सर पेरिफेरी काय?
भोवती त्याच्या टर्बाइनच्या भोवती आपण त्याचं जे काय हे आहे ना, शिल्डिंग असणार आहे. आपण त्याला शिल्डिंग असं करायचं की त्याला हीट बाहेर पडलीच नाही पाहिजे. तर त्याच्या टाइपची जी सिस्टम असेल ती आपण adiabatic सिस्टम म्हणतो. म्हणजे जी काही हीट जनरेट होणार आहे टर्बाइनच्या प्रोसेसिंग मधून, ती हीट पूर्णपणे स्टॉप होईल बाहेर पडायची. तर असं जर सिस्टम असेल दॅट इज द adiabatic सिस्टम. ओके, तुम्हाला आता अशी कुठेही सिस्टम मायक्रोस मध्ये आली ज्या सिस्टम मधून हीटच बाहेर पडत नाही, पूर्णपणे हीटला आपण ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन प्रिव्हेंट केलेलं आहे, तर अशी जी सिस्टम आहे त्या सिस्टम तुम्ही म्हणू शकता adiabatic सिस्टम. ओके. Okay, Now, next we will see the energy. Okay, and then there are two types of energies. One is internal energy and second is external energy. You can put the heading energy. All of you put the heading as energy. Sorry, two more systems are remain. Actually, we will cover this one. Write down homogeneous and heterogeneous system. Please put the heading as a homogeneous and heterogeneous. The energy cut kara. Energy heading टाकली ती cut करा and you put the heading as a homogeneous and heterogeneous system. Now, what is homogeneous system? Anybody? Again, these two terms you studied in the 11th or 12th.
Same असणारे systems.
What things are same?
One phase.
Yes. A system consists of only one phase. That is the homogeneous system. Okay. एक single phase असेल अशा system ला आपण काय म्हणायचं? Homogeneous system. Right? Then when we call heterogeneous?
More than phases.
More than one phase. एका phase पेक्षा जास्त phases असतील तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Heterogeneous system. So what is the exactly one single phase? That means we are considering about the chemical composition and the physical structure. Okay. Chemical composition and the physical structure that we are considering when we define the homogeneous. Okay. So if you want to define this homogeneous system completely, how you can define? A matter is homogeneous when matter is homogeneous throughout in chemical composition and physical structure. Throughout homogeneous in chemical composition and physical structure, such a system is known as homogeneous system. Okay. So example you can give ice, water, etc. These are the examples of a homogeneous system. Then heterogeneous system, how you can, it's a opposite to the homogeneous. कसं define करणार heterogeneous? How we can define heterogeneous?
Two
Only-
or more phases of chemical composition and physical structure.
Yes. Shortly, you can say different chemical composition and different physical structure. Right or not? Is it right? Different chemical composition and the different physical structure. That is the heterogeneous system. Okay. Please note down. Homogeneous system. The system is said to be homogeneous. A system is said to be homogeneous. A system is said to be homogeneous when matter is homogeneous throughout in chemical composition and physical structure
Can you repeat?
Yes, a system is said to be homogeneous when matter is homogeneous throughout in chemical composition and physical structure full stop. For example, ice, water, etc. Next line, it consists of single phase. It consists
हॅलो सर, आवाज येत नाहीये.
हॅलो सर, आवाज येत नाहीये.
now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the definition I told related to homogeneous and heterogeneous? Are you clear? आवाज आला होता सर्वांना?
Can
नाही
you
sir.
repeat, sir?
ओके, जे डेफिनेशन मी सांगितली ते डेफिनेशन तुम्हाला ऐकायला आली का व्यवस्थित?
Yes, sir.
Definition समजली सर, पण it consist of
ओके,
त्याच्यापासून नाही
इट
कळालं.
कन्सिस्ट ऑफ रेकॉर्डिंग दिसते का चालू?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ सिंगल फेज. इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ सिंगल फेज. जे आपण होमोजेनियस सिस्टम म्हणाल त्यावेळेस that is the meaning. What is the meaning of homogeneous? It consists of only single phase. You can remember this word, single phase. That is a homogeneous system. तुम्हाला एमसीक्यू मध्ये पण कधी कधी क्वेश्चन विचारला जाऊ शकतो. When system is consisting of single phase, it is known as option 1 homogeneous, second option heterogeneous, okay, third option none of these. Okay, so at that time you should be able to select the correct answer. Next, heterogeneous system. Heterogeneous system. Write the definition for heterogeneous system. A system is said to be heterogeneous when matter is different throughout in chemical composition and physical structure. Matter is different throughout in chemical composition and physical structure. Matter is different throughout in chemical composition and physical structure.
सर repeat करा.
A system is said to be heterogeneous when matter is different throughout in chemical composition, when matter is different throughout in chemical composition and physical structure, is known as heterogeneous. Not required to known as, full stop there. Physical structure नंतर full stop द्या. नोट केलं सर्वांनी डेफिनेशन?
Yes, sir.
For example, mixture of mercury and kerosene. Mixture of mercury and kerosene. Mixture of mercury and kerosene. So like this you can give the number of examples. Okay, मी एक example सांगले तुम्हाला. You can add many more examples, right? Next line, it consists of more than one phase. It consists of more than one phase. It consists of more than one phase. More than one phase. Full stop. Okay. Now one exercise I will give you for the today. Write down the question. Enlist the examples. Enlist the examples. Enlist, ENLIST. Enlist the examples of. Enlist the examples of open system, comma, closed system, and isolated system. Enlist the examples of closed system, comma, open system, and isolated system. Question written note केला?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तर ह्या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर तुम्हाला कसं लिहायचंय? टॅब्युलर फॉर्म मध्ये. बघा, I will show the how to prepare a table. You have to prepare a table. First column will be serial number. Then open system, second column, closed system, third column, and last is the isolated system. Okay, we can write here serial number. Here is open system, closed, then isolated. ओके, तर काय करायचं? हा, बोला ना.
डायग्राम काढायचे का?
नाही, डायग्राम नाही काढायच्या, फक्त एक्झाम्पल्स म्हटले ना. इनलिस्ट द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ ओपन सिस्टम, क्लोज सिस्टम आणि आयसोलेटेड सिस्टम. आता ओपन सिस्टमची एक्झाम्पल्स 1 2 3 4 5 काय असेल ते. क्लोज सिस्टमची एक्झाम्पल 1 2 3 4 5. आयसोलेटेडची 1 2 3 4 5. असे एक्झाम्पल्स फक्त ह्या टेबल मध्ये ऍड करत जायचे. Got the exercise? You refer the notebook, your previous notes. You refer your this thing, your books, reference books. Whatever you want to refer it, you would prepare the refer and prepare the table for open system, closed system, and isolated. पण लक्षात ठेवा, नुसते काम दिले म्हणून काम करायचं नाही, समजून लिहायचं. लक्षात ठेवा, तुम्हाला ते आयडेंटिफाय करता आलं पाहिजे. व हे ओपन सिस्टम आहे, क्लोज सिस्टम आहे, आयसोलेटेड. कारण तुम्ही डेफिनेशन लिहिली, लक्षात ठेवा. येते लक्षात. मी कुठलं एक्झाम्पल जर विचारलं किंवा मी असं एक एक्झाम्पल विचारलं तर तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे, दिस इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ओपन सिस्टम, दिस इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ क्लोज सिस्टम, दिस इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ आयसोलेटेड सिस्टम. तर हे ज्यावेळेस जमेल तुम्हाला की त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला म्हणायचं की यू अंडरस्टूड द कन्सेप्ट क्लिअरली ऑफ ऑल दिस सिस्टम, ओपन, क्लोज अँड आयसोलेटेड. जर डेफिनेशन त्याला समजलं व्यवस्थित, त्यांना एक्झाम्पल्स देणं काही अवघड. लक्षात ठेवा, त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन करणं फार इझी आहे. लक्षात ठेवा. तर तो थोडंसं हे टेबलच्या फॉर्म मध्ये यू प्रिपेअर दिस एक्सरसाइज. सिमिलरली सेकंड एक्सरसाइज, राईट डाऊन.
Sir, examples.
फक्त एक्झाम्पल्स लिहायचे. आता मी तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल दिलेत ना प्रत्येक डेफिनेशनची खाली. हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
हा, तसे तुम्ही नंबर ऑफ एक्झाम्पल्स शोधायचे आहेत, स्टडी करायचे, ते त्या टेबल मध्ये ऍड करायचं आहे. आता जो मी टेबल इथं मांडलाय, पुढे ड्रॉ केलेला आहे, दिसतोय का सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
हा, असं टेबलर करायचं डॉक्युमेंट आणि ते करून मला काय करायचं, व्हॉट्सअप करायचं. आय विल चेक. प्रत्येकाने ते सगळं लिहायचं एका सिंगल पेज वरती आणि ते नोट करून सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स ते प्रॉपर स्कॅन करून मला पाठवा. आय विल चेक. नेक्स्ट, सेकंड एक्सरसाइज. Enlist the examples for homogeneous and heterogeneous systems. Enlist the examples for homogeneous and heterogeneous systems. हा तुमचा सेकंड क्वेश्चन असेल. ठीक आहे, इथं पण तसंच टेबल तयार करायचा आणि त्या टेबल मध्ये पहिला कॉलम असेल तुमचा सिरियल नंबर. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर दुसरा कॉलम असेल होमोजेनियस सिस्टम, तिसरा कॉलम असेल हेट्रोजिनियस सिस्टम आणि नंतर मग एक्झाम्पल्स द्यायचे दोन्हीची पण. कळलं का हाऊ टू कम्प्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you take this very interesting exercise. जो पण आपल्याला असं समजत नाही, डिफरन्शिएट करता येत नाही, तो पण काय आपल्याला लर्निंग झालं असं आपण म्हणू शकत नाही. ठीक आहे, यू ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड, रीड ट्वाइस थ्राइस अँड प्लीज प्रिपेअर दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके
सर असाइनमेंट मध्ये घ्यायचं आहे का हे?
नाही नाही, असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन्स आर डिफरंट and these questions are different. Okay, shall we close the meeting now here, or before that we will take attendance, then we will close the meeting. Give the attendance. 1
Present, sir.
2
Present, sir.
3. Roll number 3. 4
Present, sir.
5
Present, sir.
6. Roll number 6. 7
Present, sir.
8
Present, sir.
9
Present, sir.
10 11
प्रेझेंट सर.
12
प्रेझेंट सर.
13 14.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 14
Present, sir.
15 16
प्रेझेंट सर.
17
प्रेझेंट सर.
18 19
प्रेझेंट सर.
20
प्रेझेंट सर.
21
Present, sir.
22
Present, sir.
23
Present, sir.
24
Present, sir.
25
Present, sir.
26
Present, sir.
27
Yes, sir.
28
Present, sir.
29
Present, sir.
30
प्रेझेंट सर.
31 32
प्रेझेंट सर.
33 34 35
Present, sir.
36
प्रेझेंट सर.
37
प्रेझेंट सर.
38 39
प्रेझेंट सर.
40 41
Present, sir.
42
Present, sir.
43 44 45
Present, sir.
46
Present, sir.
45 present.
Okay, 45 are present, noted. 46
Present, sir.
47
Present, sir.
48
Present, sir.
49
Present, sir.
50 51
प्रेझेंट सर.
52 53
प्रेझेंट सर.
54
प्रेझेंट सर.
55
प्रेझेंट सर.
56
प्रेझेंट.
57 57
प्रेझेंट सर.
58
प्रेझेंट सर.
59 60 roll number 60 61 okay, absent number मी वाचतोय ठिकाणी, प्लीज कॉन्सन्ट्रेट. रोल नंबर 3 6 10
Sir, 3 number present.
okay 6 10
Present, sir. 6 roll number present.
okay 10 15 18 31 हा बोला.
15 प्रेझेंट सर.
15 present, okay. 18 Roll number 18, 31, 33, 34, 37, 38, 40, 43,
37 present, sir.
37,
Present.
38, 40, 43, 44, 50.
43
Okay.
43 parents, sir.
Okay. 44, 50.
43.
Noted. 44, 50, 52, 59, 60, 61 absent. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll close the meeting now.